Yağmur Yüksel, the popular name of recent times, who entered his acting life with the character of Dylan in the series Candid, received appreciation from his fans with his new poses published on his social media account. The name, who will share the lead role with Taha Back in the TV series Angry Lands, made a name for himself with the photos he shared. Yüksel, who has 1.4 million followers on her Instagram account, received more than 217,000 likes for her posts with a polka dot dress. Here are the last poses of Yağmur Yüksel.